It's called a navigator, of course, and one of the things I forgot, it's got sat nav. There you go. Well, while we're in this traffic, I'll try and show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen, that would be your normal map screen there. We've got lights on here, I think, so it could be in dark mode. So into nav, destination input, click on destination input, city and postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage. Oh no, I've managed to turn the volume up there. Stupid boy. So that's it. P R. Now we need to go to numbers at the bottom. 5 4 J S. That's it, PR54JS. And then click down, start guidance.
Turn left after 150 yards.
That's it, that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system, the sync system in this Ford Focus. So from any screen, if you go into menu, you've got sync settings there, sync applications, sync settings, Bluetooth on. If you're having any trouble pairing or pairing, just make sure there's a tick in that box. But we want BT devices. Down to BT devices, select BT devices. Barry's iPhone, you've got add, delete and connect, add, delete, connect. So we want delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes there, no there, yes. Barry's iPhone deleted. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Focus, the sync system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you can either go to phone or you can go to menu. If you go to phone, that's the easiest, but I'll show you this. Sync settings, sync applications. Sync settings, Bluetooth devices, click Bluetooth devices, no phones paired, please add a phone. So you've got add there.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So sync showed up there, select it.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It does, so pair, and then click yes on the left. If it didn't, you click no. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so don't allow. And that's it, it's paired.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Download phone book, yes or no. I don't want it to, but you may do. That's it, done. Now, the other good thing with the sync system is if you go to your iTunes, I'll just turn that down there. Let's see. Right, okay. Tremolos, blast from the past there. If you just check there, sync is highlighted, there's a tick next to it. If it's not, then just touch it. And over here to auxiliary, that's showing straight away the Bluetooth audio. But if not, it may be you've got a USB plugged in or something like that. So you
USB device.
You just click auxiliary until you see Bluetooth. There you go. And if I turn that up, just that's it. That's it playing. That's how you do it.